Improve the consistency of your assembly patterns using this step. First of all, let's forget about the typical pattern that has the count of elements and the distance in between them. It doesn't matter if it is a circular pattern or a rectangular pattern. Let's forget about those. We are not going to use them anymore. Second, what we need to do is to again call the pattern comment, but instead of going into the linear pattern, I'm going to stay in here in this tab. What I need to do is to select the pattern that comes with the part. So in here, we need to be very strategic, right? So this part is already having a pattern that starts from this element where I place the bolt. That's something that you need to have, let's say, control, or you notice that since the beginning, okay? So as you can see, I have 10 elements with a certain distance that is coming from a parameter from my sketch, that sketch that defines this whole pattern. Okay, so let's come back here. Let's call the pattern comment. I will quickly select my screws elements. So there we go. Okay, and now I'm going to select, it doesn't matter which one, any of the pattern elements, and it is going to make the pattern at the exact distance and the exact amount of elements. So now it doesn't matter if I change one of the parameters. Let's say, for example, I'm gonna change the overall distribution of these guys. So let me click in here, show dimensions. So as you can see, I have a sketch that is centered in the part, but it has an overall distance, and the pattern given in this part is based on distance. And this is the parameter D16 that you saw before. There you go, D16. So I'm going to modify it a little bit. Let's say 1375. So it is going to be larger in here. I will click on update. And now I can see that the screws are consistent, and I don't have to worry much about going to my assembly and update the parameter of my assembly pattern because of the new change on the parts.